You can clean the meshes on your AirPods Pro 2 and later with micellar water and a soft-bristled brush. Here's how. Before you start, you'll need micellar water that includes PEG 6 caprylic capric glycerides, such as from Bioderma or Neutrogena, distilled water, a soft-bristled children's toothbrush, 2 small cups, and a paper towel. You can clean all the meshes on the top and sides of your AirPods Pro 2. For AirPods Pro 3, you can clean the top, side, and bottom meshes. You'll clean each mesh 3 times with the micellar water, then rinse it with the distilled water. This should take about 5 minutes, and then your AirPods need to dry for at least 2 hours. Ready? Let's start by cleaning the largest mesh. First, pull firmly to remove the ear tip from your AirPod so you can access the mesh underneath it. You can rinse the ear tip under running tap water with the ear tip opening facing downward, but don't use soap or household cleaners. Then, add a small amount of micellar water to one of the cups. Dip the toothbrush in the micellar water until the bristles are fully saturated. Hold your AirPod with the mesh facing up and brush the mesh in circles for about 15 seconds. Turn over your AirPod and blot it on a paper towel. Make sure the paper towel contacts the mesh. Now you'll repeat that cleaning process 2 more times. Once you've cleaned the mesh 3 times, you're ready to rinse off the micellar water using the same method. First, rinse the brush by swishing it around in the distilled water. Then repeat the process once. Brush the mesh in circles with distilled water for 15 seconds. And blot the mesh on a paper towel. Use the same method to clean and rinse all the meshes on your AirPods Pro. Once you're done, let your AirPods dry completely. They should air dry for at least 2 hours before you reattach the ear tips, place the AirPods in the charging case, or use them. And that's how to keep your AirPods Pro clean and ready to rock.